Hey guys, Mrs. Aki here. We are going to be taking notes over solving equations with variables. Remember, those are the x's, y's, a, b, c's. On both sides of the equations, when we're talking about both sides, we're talking on the right-hand side and the left-hand side of that equal sign. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our notes. Okay, please title this Equations with Variables on Both Sides. Your essential question is, how can you solve an equation that has variables on both sides? Ooh, that's supposed to have a question mark. Okay. Your main thing that you are going to go through, and remember, I like the acronym PCSAD-ME to remember in which way I'm going to undo my equation. It's not about the order of operations, it's about undoing the order of operations. So, remember, for your notes now, I do expect to see title. I do expect to see essential question. I do expect to see solving equations with variables on both sides. I do expect to see solving equations with both sides, collect the variable terms on one side and the constants on the other. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. A lot of you have been asking, do I want to see the examples? The answer is yes, I do want to see the examples. Okay, we have 4 examples we're going to go over today, and then you'll have, I do expect to see the next slide on there as well, and I'll get to that next. Okay, solve the equation, check your solution, if possible. It's huge today, if possible. So, P, C, SAD, me. All right, are there any parentheses for the first problem? No. So, check off. All right, like terms. Are there like terms on the same side of the equal sign? No. Okay, there are like terms on opposite sides. Here's a like term here, and here's a like term here. Anything with x's are like terms. Anything with no variables are like terms. Anything with a's are like terms. Anything with p's are like terms. Okay, so I'm going to combine my like terms and get them to the same side. Combine like terms. So combine like terms, we're going to do now. I'm going to move this 2x with the 3x, the negative 3x, because I want it all on one side with only x's. If I move that negative 3 to where the 19 is, then everything's going to be on one side, and I'll have 0 equals, and I don't want that. All right, I'm going to take away a 2x. I'm going to take away a 2x. All right. Negative 3x minus 2x is negative 5x. Negative 5x equals 2x minus 2x is 0, 19. All right, we combined our like terms. Today, we're going to add in on opposite sides for combining like terms. Okay, I kept it simple yesterday because we were looking at simple. Today we're going to add in both sides. Subtraction. Is there any subtraction? No. Is there addition to undo? No. Is there division to undo? No. Is there multiplication to undo? Yes. Multiplication of negative 5 times x. So we'll divide by negative 5. We'll divide by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 right here is 1. X equals 19 divided by negative 5 is going to leave us with a decimal. That is negative divided by positive, positive divided by negative is negative 3.8. All right, we usually don't write it with that 1 in front of the x. We usually just write it as x equals negative 3.8. All right, let's go to number 2. Are there parentheses? Yes. So, distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. All right, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative p is negative 4p. Rewrite. All right, got done with our parentheses. Combine like terms on same side first and then opposite side. So any like terms right here? Nope. Any like terms right here? Nope. Now we're going to look at opposite sides. Okay, I'm going to, it doesn't matter, you can take away 4p, you can take away 4 or you can add 4p. I'm going to add 4p, add 4p. There's two options that you could have followed on this step right here. There's two ways. Okay, I picked one. All right, now I'll have canceling out 4 equals, ooh, goodness, negative 4p plus 4p is also canceling out. Ooh, okay. If you remember from last year, if you guys talked about that, that is, when you have 4 equal 4, this is infinite solutions, infinite. Many solutions. This is infinitely many solutions because 4 is equal to 4, which really means that the way that number 2 is written, these are the same equation. Same equation written two different ways. So they're the same equation and they'll line up one after the numbers. Goodness, sorry, tongue-tied here. The answers will always be the same input and output. Okay, let's go to example number 3. Okay, example number 3, any parentheses? Yes. Distribute. 5, need some scratch work, 5 divided by 6 times 6m over 1. Remember how you multiply fractions? Straight across. Okay, 5 times 6 is 30. M follows along. 6 times 1 is 6. Minus 10. Ooh, I can simplify this 30 divided by 6 to 5. So 5m minus 10. Just rewriting my other side because I didn't do anything with it. All right, now we're ready to combine like terms on same side, which this side does have. We're going to combine same side. 6m minus m is 5m. All right. Now we're going to combine like terms on opposite sides. And I'm going to take away this 5m on this side because I need that 10 all by itself, that negative 10. All right, that cancels out. Oh goodness, what happened here? 5m minus 5m also cancels out. We have to put a 0 there. 0 equal negative 10. Does 0 equal negative 10? The answer is no. So this is no solutions. These lines are parallel lines and they will never cross. No solution. All right, last example we're going to go over. Problem number, let me make sure I'm choosing a color you guys can see. Okay, problem number 10. Parentheses, there are no parentheses. Like terms on same side. I do not see any like terms on this side, and I do not see any like terms on this side. Okay, like terms on opposite sides, so I'm going to go ahead and mess with my variable, add 10k. Add 10k. There was other options that you could have picked for this one. You could have took away 10k, you could have taken away 7, or you can have add 3. There's other options. I just chose this one. I like messing with my variable first. Okay. I did that so I can cancel those ones out and get negative 3 on this side alone. 20k, sorry, 10 plus 10 is 20. 20k plus 7. All right, now I have to take away 7. All right, 20k equals, because these cancel out, negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10. All right, divide by 20. I'll go into this division part here, because there's no addition or subtraction. Well, there was addition to undo, but there is no division to undo. Okay, divided by 20 both sides. K equals, or 1k equals, same thing. Negative divided by positive is negative. 10 divided by 20 is a half. All right. Go ahead and work on these on your own problems. I do expect that you pause your video and try them on your own. I do expect to see that equation work that I saw that I was doing in the previous slide. Okay, pause your video, and when you're ready to check your answers, go ahead and resume. All right, thanks for pausing. For problem number 1, you should have gotten that n is equal to negative 5, or negative 5 equals n, same thing. Okay. For problem number 2, this is infinitely many solutions. meaning these are the same equation written two different ways. Problem number 3, we have no solution. Problem number 4, v equals 1. All right, guys, what you're going to do now is you're going to answer that essential question right here. Okay, should be a question mark, and then go take that checkpoint so I can see what you did and what you did not get on this video. Thanks for being here. Bye.